Hi, Pete here from Flashback Central. Today we're talking about StreamYard. This is a multi-platform streaming service that goes everywhere. However, some people have said the audio is not that great. So what we're going to do is dive in, do a little tweak and get your audio sounding fantastic. Let's get on with the video. So here we are in StreamYard. If you click onto create broadcast, now I've got a couple of different options up here, one for YouTube and one for Twitch. If you keep going over a little bit, if you don't want to get up there already, you can click any one of these, it doesn't matter, but there is a record setting there. So let's use that for now, just so we get an idea. And we're going to call the broadcast test. So there we are. Click create and it takes you to the broadcast studio, which is where your settings are. Now this is the bit that people miss. Ignore all this here for just a second, but because I've got OBS turned on at the same time to record this in order to be able to show you what I'm on about. Now if you click this button here, which is like a little cog, if you click that and go to audio, now you see this button here, echo cancellation, you need that off. This needs to be off and stereo audio needs to be turned on. If you don't have that turned off, if you have this turned on and that turned off, it's gonna sound dreadful. Now here's a demonstration of what it will sound like with this turned on. So there you have it, just a little tweak for StreamYard. Click that button and everything will sound glorious. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon.